It's Andy with Mountain Computers. I just finished a video earlier on what we're going to do with this do-it-yourself GoGreen PC TuneUp. I'm going to show you the finished results here, okay? Give me a second here while we go over here and take a look. So, moral of the story is I pulled out the 64 gig of RAM of the 128. Put in my XFX card, dropped in my 970 Evo 1TB NVMe. As you can see, it's a pretty nice build. Just watch your cable management a little bit, don't get crazy. As you can see, oh, when I pulled the RAM, it said, would you like to continue or reset? Well, I did reset, and of course that caused my computer to freak out because I had Game Boost and XMP on, so it defaulted back to lower frequency and lower DDR speed, so I had to reset those and turn those back on. But as you can see, with this, I've got the 232s in there. It's a nice build, pretty nice build. I did do a video on in a blog on RGB craziness. Don't get crazy. You know, we want to be carbon negative, if not neutral. It's my old card. What else we got here? It's my extra RAM, 2 processors and boards, tempered glass, speaker system. Anyhow, I'm gonna cut this video out and post it. You'll notice that the motherboard MSI fan doesn't kick on unless it's needed. That's covering, I think, the it's like the old days of Northgate, Southgate. Now I get to install an operating system, and I'm going to install Linux. But which flavor? You know, folks, this case is green, right? So I'm going to go with Linux Mint. So all you Linux Mint folks, big thumbs up. I donate to you guys about $100 a month. I haven't in the last 6 months because I've been doing other things like getting out of debt, but this should be fun. Should I record the build of the operating system? Maybe, maybe not. So anyhow, I'm going to stop for now, and that's it. Andy from Mountain Computers, GoGreen PC TuneUp guy. Like, subscribe, and share. Still got to screw some things down, but other than that, though, looks good. More to come. This will be fun. Good fun build. Alright, that's it. I'm going to post this.